Hello, in front of me I have Garmin EPIX Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your Android phone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Oh my bad, Garmin Connect, not Huawei Health, my bad. Once you open the Garmin Connect application, tap on this icon right here, that's the EPIX Gen 2 icon, to open the device page for your EPIX Gen 2. If you don't see the icon right here for some reason, you can also open a menu by tapping on this icon. Scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, and here select the EPIX. Once you see the device page for your EPIX Gen 2, tap on the More Options icon right here in the top right corner to open the menu, and then select the Remove Device option. Then tap on Remove, and the device should disappear from the list of devices, as you can see. Now, also you can go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone. So let's close this, open the Bluetooth settings on our phone, and in the Bluetooth settings you should have the list of previously connected devices. As you can see, we have EPIX right here. We can tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on Forget, and tap on Forget Device to remove it. Just to make sure that device is completely unpaired from our phone. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.